Just a quick video explaining how to use the spelling grid for cracking the ABC code. So let's pick a word. Let's start with something simple. Let's do brush. And the questions are all listed across the top of the page. So the first one says how many letters, and the child would count up and tell me 5. The first letter is a B and the first sound is B. I put a tick if the child tells me correctly. You could write B in between some slatted lines if you wish. The last letter is H, and the last sound here in brush is sh. So again, I'd either write SH between the lines or I put a tick because it's correct. Then I clap out the syllables. How many? Brush. Just one. What are the vowels? The vowel in this word is a U. There are no silent letters. The small word I can see here is rush. Sometimes there's a few, sometimes there's not many. There are no double letters. There are no letters there more than once. Now the next one says what makes the sound, and it's left blank. So I would deliberately pick something I know the child is having difficulty with or the focus for that word. So I might say what makes the sh sound, and then they would write sh. I might write what makes the sound, and they would write letter U. Then we would sound out the word b, r, sh, and I get them to sound that out on their fingers, and we'd write the number 4. And then we'd write that into the box on the back of the sheet, which I'll show you shortly. The next word, let's have a look at teacher. So we'd write the word here. I get the child to tell me the word, check that they understand, put it in a sentence for me. Then we count the letters. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First letter is a T, makes a sound T. Last letter is an R, but the last sound, the last sound is E-R is the last sound. And I could put a tick there. How many syllables? I clap it out, teacher. So that would be 2. Now the vowels here are E-A, making E in teach, and the on the end. So that would be our 2 vowel sounds. No silent letters. Small words, I can see teach. I can see her. I can see T. And I can see he. Are there any double letters? No, there's no double letters, but there's actually E is there twice. So I'd put that in the next box. And then I might say in this one, what makes the E sound? And they'd write EA. What makes the ch sound? CH. What makes the sound? ER. Then I'd count out the sounds. So I get my fingers ready and I go t, E, ch, and again, I'd write 4 sounds there. Let's look at one more word before I show you the boxes on the other side. So if I did the word station. Okay, so again, I'd count the letters. I'm writing there, there's 7. First letter is an S, the first sound is S, last letter is N, the last sound is N. Station, I clap it out, station is 2. Now, trickier here with what the vowels are. The letter A is a vowel, and the other one is O, because the T and the I are working together here to make the sound sh. Let me get back to that one in a moment. Silent letters, none. Small words, I can see on, but that's probably about it in this word. There are no double letters, however T is there more than once. And I might say to the student here, what makes the sh sound? And they would write T-I, which is the most common way to write sh in the middle of a word. Then I'd sound it out. S, t, a, sh, n. So I'd have 6 sounds there. Now you probably heard that when we got to the O here makes an sound. It's the lazy sound, it's the schwa, but it does make a sound before the n sound. And once I've got the student to work through each of the words on the list, as they go through, we turn over and then we would write them into the boxes. So we'd write brush, b, r, sh. And it really helps the student to actually say the sounds as they write them. They would then also have a line over here where they can write the word on the line. But saying the sounds is more effective than learning one word at a time, because if you can hear the sounds and write the sounds, then you can spell lots of words. But if you can only spell the words like B-R-U-S-H, that only helps you with brush. The next word we had was teacher. So I go T-E. So anything that has the same sound, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters maybe, goes in one box. Ch, teacher. And then I'd write it on the line. And the last one I had was station. So I'd have S, T, A, and we said the TI making the sh sound, the O making the schwa sound, n on the end. If I had a word that ended with an E, like if I was going to do the word like, I would join up these, they'd each get a box, like, but I'd actually do a dotted box around the E because it's actually working with the I, they're just split. So I hope this helps you help your child to complete the grids.